My name is Maureen Olson. Thank you very much for buying our multicolored year-round LED tree. The instructions will walk you through all the color programs that are options on this tree. But I want you to know that to operate the tree, you must use the remote control and point it at the white button on the sensor control to activate the lights. Now, just one thing that I'm jumping here, but this remote control also works the tree. If by chance you lose your remote control, you can do every program just with the sensor button that you can with the remote. So I just want you to know that. But remember, point your remote at the sensor button, the white button on the sensor box. There's an on and off button, so easily done. Just turn it on. Then there are 16 color buttons on the remote, and each button has 3 functions. So when you press the button once, pointing at the white on the sensor button, the colors come on fixed. When you press a second time, you'll get twinkling stars. When you press a third time, you'll get a flashing light. Now, you also have 4 speeds of motion with this program. You have speed buttons, and you can make those lights flash faster or slower. You also have a light bulb. It looks like a little light bulb going on, and that has 4 levels of brightness on it too, so you just control it that way. Now, there's also 4 multicolored buttons, and when I say multi-buttons, they're combinations. So if you take the 4 on the right hand side and you press that, there's your first one, and that has all the colors on the tree mixed all over the tree. Then those 4 buttons have 2 functions. One is fixed, the other is flashing. And beneath the 4 buttons have the combination colors. You have our seasonal buttons. And so the first button, I think, is Easter, or it could be just welcome spring, or it could be for a little girl's birthday. You can use this tree for all different kinds of occasions. You could do it so that you can get the color of your favorite person. The second one is red, white, and blue for all our wonderful holidays. The next one is Christmas. The next one is white and blue Hanukkah. So those are our seasonal combinations. Now the button to the right of the seasonal button is a twinkling one, and so this will flash through all the different colors. If you want to have the 4th of July twinkling, just press that and keep pressing until you find the one you want to twinkle. There are 8 buttons on the bottom, and those are, you have the instructions right on the buttons themselves, but let me just run them through. First of all, I'll point at the button and the white button on the sensor to get it on. And then I'm going to put it on red so I can show you exactly how it works, and it's more pronounced when we have solid colors. The first one is called fade. What happens now is the lights fade from one color to the next, and it fades all through the sequence of the lights that are programmed into the tree. The second one is this asymmetrical, and what that is, each little light bulb changes, and they change at different rates so that you get many different combinations of colors, and that will just work through the entire sequence of colors. The third one is called jump. I'm going to put it back onto the red because I think it shows you better. But this works on all the colors. There we are, and you jump from one color to the next. The next one is an asymmetrical jump, so that's just the same thing. It's going to be changing and changing for you and giving you many different combinations. Now the second row, the first one is waves, and that just comes in on waves, changing colors. It's just going to wave for you. The next one is a strobe. This is kind of pretty, and once again it's going to change through all the color lights on the sequence. The next one is a twinkle. And that twinkles away, but it's changing the colors too. It's going through the sequence on the light. The last one is a breathing one. And what that is that changes, but it changes with the pulse. It's almost like it's a heartbeat, and they call it breathing. I guess the last thing that you really want to know is, can you go out and put it on for a couple of hours and just forget it? Yes, you can time it. It has 3 different settings. You can time it for 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. It's quite simple. You just press the ones you want, and when you do, your white button on your sensor box will turn to green, and that tells you that whatever button you've pressed, that it'll keep the lights on for that amount of time. Now, if you want to turn it off, there's a turn off button right beside that. Just press that and it'll turn back to white, and you'll know you've been successful. I think you're going to get many hours of pleasure out of this tree. It's fascinating to figure out all the different programs it has. I think you're going to have great fun using this tree.